Okay, hey, welcome, everyone to your new mini course, and I'll be a guide, okay, for you, especially, and you are an aspiring network marketers and affiliate marketer or direct seller, right? I will be your guide, right? My name is Real Kenfu, right? And I will be your guide to help you to successfully, pivot and thrive in a modern digital era, right? So to help you to understand the strategy, right, and the actionable steps, right, to build a digital ecosystem to achieve consistent leads and even at times of automated sales closing for your business. So what is a digital ecosystem? It is actually a set of tools, right? And for instance, you may have heard of funnels, right? Or another word for it will be landing pages, right? Most layman understood of it is understanding of it, pardon me, understanding of it is like a website. But to be more specific, it's a funnel, right? It's a funnel or landing pages, right? And the other one would be the chatbots. And these days, chatbots are actually AI powered, right? Very powerful and effective, right? In helping you to engage in very intelligent and lifelike conversation with your potential customers. And next would be the email marketing, right? Email marketing is also another automated way to follow up your leads. And of course, how can we forget about organic content, right? Organic content marketing, right? And all this would be, the fundamentals of your digital ecosystems working together to help you, right? To attract, not chase, attract, engage, and convert them, right? Into your qualified leads, right? And also into subsequently into sales. And all this can be done on autopilot. So imagine waking up to new leads and even sales every day. That's not a dream. It's very doable if you know what you are doing. Okay. This is why I set up this mini course to help you, right? For the subscribers that trusted my professional knowledge, right? And my experience, right? To help you to get the basics of how you can independently operate this on your own, right? So next, in this course, um, I have selected, right? There are many, right, effective and proven digital platforms, or you can call them as digital tools, right? And I have actually streamlined them, right? And selected the basic, basic ones, okay? In consideration of these two factors, okay? And this is also the value I will offer you as my subscriber. Number one is our access, right? Our access the ease of use of these tools, right? Is it simple to start to get things going, right? Ease of use. Number two, when we have the ease of use, right, we also need to consider the sustainability in terms of the marketing cost, right? Especially as a beginners, right? You may be, all right, you are more conservative with where you want to put your marketing dollar. So I understand that. I'm a beginner once, right? So I understand that. And I believe these are the two very important factor that you will consider even one day you are at an advanced level, right? You will still want to look at the ease of use so that you won't get stuck spending too much time to figure out how to use all these platforms. And the next would be, even they are very good, however, it becomes too expensive, right? That means you reduce your profit, which we try to avoid as much as possible, isn't it? Right. So with these two in mind, I have selected for you number one for funnels or landing pages, you may call it, would be the system.io, spelled as systeme.io, right? And the beautiful part about system.io is that you can enjoy, right, lifetime access usage of it for a lot of business features on it, right? To host your landing pages, right? For free. Yeah, for free. Yeah. And then even the paid version is really affordable, right? Really affordable. It's currently going at less than $20 US dollar, right? So the next one would be your chatbots. Okay, chatbot has been proven to be very effective in doing conversion to leads and even to for sales, right? By using chatbots. And the beautiful part about the chatbots that it is now so established that it has already AI powered. Okay, it is already AI powered, right? So the conversation in your DMs become more intelligent and conversational, very human-like. Next, the third one would be the email marketing tool. Okay. I've selected for you Aweber, spelled as Aweber, right? For the also another form of very professional way to follow up your leads. Okay. And even do fulfillment. That means delivery of your digital products to your uh to your email list, right? By using this platform. And the next one would be the way you're going to automate creating your content. Beginning with like brainstorming for you ideas, unlimited amount of ideas, which you will learn how to use AI tools. For example, everybody knows about ChatGPT, right? Of course, would be the free version is more than enough for you to generate unlimited amount of ideas for your content, right? And next, I will also recommend to you another powerful free AI platform would be Grok, founded by Elon Musk, spelled as Grok. So I will give you a short demo of how do you use all these AI platform with meaningful prompts, which means the instructions to the AI to produce for you fantastic ideas, to create your content either in terms of words or even your videos, right? And the bonus part would be this tool called Canva, Canva, right? Canva tool is very famous for helping you um, to create professional level infographics, for example, images, right, and videos. So whatever you have, get the AI like ChatGPT or Grok, right, to produce this, to structure for you. How are you going to create the images and videos, right? You can all of this you can port over to Canva too, you know, to use the templates over there to help you out to have the final product, the images as well as the video for you to do your content marketing work, right? And the above mentioned one, two, three, four, five, six different digital tools, right? All are suitable for beginner level. So for beginners out there, you don't have to worry, right? You don't have to worry at all, right? You are good to go if you follow and watch the subsequent modules over and over again, right? And the right way to make your master the technique, right, would be to um watch, you know, pause, do the work, come back again, continue, pause, and then watch again, and so on and so on until you complete whatever that was being described in each module, right? Okay. So let me give you an example. Let's start with a quick tool as what you're looking at now. You're on, whereby I hosted my membership site, right? This private community, right, will be the system.io, spelled as systeme.io. So you can sign up for free using my affiliated link, right? And subsequently, if you have, advanced and you have been making pretty good profit or whatever that you're doing, right, in your business, then you can consider to subscribe in the paid version. And System.io offer you a affiliate marketing program. So as you are getting good with this, you can also recommend to your, your team, right? Or your clients and so on and so forth, so on and so forth. And you have could also help yourself to create another streams of income, another stream of commissions by using the System.io. So it is a very valuable skills to have, and also a very good platform for you, right, to create another source of income, right? And first of all, after you sign up using my affiliated link, right? Uh, okay, then you click on the membership area, and the course dashboard will show up, right? The course dashboard will show up. Let me show you now. Let me do a screen share. So after you have logged in, this is the where you know, this is what you will see, the dashboard, right? Go and under the asset section, select course and select the title, right? That is open up to you, the course, right? Which is this, right? And this is where you will access the training. Simple, right? Uh, mm. So as I have shown you, right, it is so easy to navigate the when you are in system.io, right? So at the end of the day, you will have I will assure you, right, if you get down to understand the concept and do the work right and set it up, you will definitely have an automated lead generating machine that works for you 24/7, right? And so now let's make it happen. And I will see you in module one for the system.io landing pages, right? The introduction as well as a short demo. I will see you in the next training video.